Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 top features of the brilliant HP Spectre X360 laptop. It's packed with plenty of power to help you get all your work done. It seamlessly connects to your other devices, and it has a stunning screen that you can get hands-on with. I'm going to head to the lab where we can take a look at this laptop in more detail. There's so much that I love about this laptop. It really is the perfect addition to any home office. It's got everything you need for professional use and also for relaxing in your downtime. Now it's got this premium design which I love. It's got a flexible setup so I can put it here in temp mode. Then I can also pop it into tablet mode. And it's got a touch screen as well, so essentially you're getting multiple devices in one. You can trust that this laptop's going to get you through the heaviest of workloads, and that's thanks to its powerful 13th gen Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Evo. And because of that, it's perfect for professional use. You can run demanding programs like creative software, and you can seamlessly multitask and switch between tabs. Now I'm going to grab my stylus pen that comes with the laptop, and I'm going to open up all of these different tabs that I'm running right now, and I'm going to use this pen to go to our task manager. And you can see that we're running at 54% memory, under 10% CPU, which means there's plenty more space to run more programs. You can also get your other devices involved too, which is actually really handy. So basically, you can make your laptop become an extension of your phone by connecting them by using the Intel Unison app. You can use it to transfer photos and videos using the gallery. You've got the file transfer, and you can also receive notifications from your phone along with texts and calls. And actually, I've got a call coming through now. You can see it on my phone, and you can see it on the laptop. You can also choose how you work, play and create thanks to its 360-degree OLED touchscreen. This means the versatility allows you to choose the ideal setup for whatever you're doing, and you get super detailed imagery and it feels nice and fluid. It's also got Intel Arc graphics, which makes it possible to edit and retouch quickly and easily. If you'd like to find out more about this HP 2-in-1, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.